Hi, this is Kevin with KG Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub. Totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free and start advertising for free. Today is February the 9th on a Wednesday, 22. And this is another video on my personal $10,000 challenge and my quest to when I started playing this game in January to turn it into a $10,000 asset value. So let's real quick look at where I'm at. Here's the rules. I've talked about them in the last videos, and basically it's what I need to stick to come to the balances that I'm getting to and the figures. So my investment right now is 318. I've added today's pack. The opening the packs is for the video. It's really something I wouldn't need to do every day, but I still think I can overcome that. Not to mention you can win very valuable cards in the packs. So they got 8 million left, down from 15 that they dropped a couple weeks ago. And so as of right now, 739 is the value of the collection. I'm up to 177 cards. Now that changes as I burn them and sell them. So it can go lower or higher, but you at the end of the day, when you got more cards, it gives you a chance for more of them to become more valuable over time. This is the number you want to always be going up. 67,735. That's your power points. That's what they base the SPS drop on you, and that's a crypto, and the value of that is $27.35. I have around 200 of them. I'm getting about 6 to 7 a day. And my profit at this time, if I was to cash out right now, would be right around $450. So not bad for a month's worth of game playing. Now, as it goes on, I expect this to accelerate as I get bigger and bigger. And like I said, my goal is to reach $10,000. So in the beginning of the video, I do a quest that I've already done it. And I got my ass handed to me today. I'll tell you that. I don't usually use the water cards, so but I didn't think that was the problem. But for some reason, I was just not. It took a longer than usual to win. I went down, cried a lot in the rating, but I'll get that back later on. So we're going to open up the chests that you get upon completion of a once a day daily quest, and then we're going to open the pack up, and then I spend the rest of the video showing you how to make money. And if you like what I show you, please join below. There's a link. Like and subscribe and follow along. I'm going to have a whole year's worth of data that shows whether I succeed or don't succeed, and that way, it's all transparent, very transparent, as best as I can. My affiliate program, I'm recruiting people, but nobody has signed gone the next step yet. You can join and play for free, and then you have to purchase a $10 spell book in order to open up the money making aspect of the platform. And those affiliates that I have, if they ever decide to join in the future, they're under me, so I get 5%, not from them, from Splinterlands, so it never comes out of your pocket. So let's go ahead and open up the chest. And I'm trying to keep these videos under 10 minutes because I can ramble. And so now in these chests, you can win a card, you can win credits and potions. Let's see what I want today. Okay, now this is going to help me with my pack opening, and it will help give me a better percentage for having a legendary card in the pack. So let's go down, and yeah, here's the I've bought 52 packs. Now in addition, I get an airdrop at every million packs that are sold. They open up a new airdrop, and I've only gotten one, and that was I got 2 cards, 2 of the same. She was legendary, and I only had 32 packs at the time. But so what it is you get a percentage, and each pack, so technically I could get 52 of whatever this card is. I could get none, and most often you do because the percentage is kind of low. But if you get some, it's just extra. So that will be coming. Let's see how many packs they got to go. 710,000 more to the next. Let's go ahead, and you can only buy the packs with credits, which you can use a credit card. I only use sites where you can use a credit card to get in, and you can use crypto, but you don't have to. It's just a lot easier for me. And so here's my pack that I purchased. It's right here. We're going to put it in here. I've got the one potion that will help my percentage in getting a legendary. Doesn't mean you're guaranteed to get one. Now you get 5 cards per pack, and you're guaranteed at the minimum a rare. Now, even though the cards might not add up to what you paid for the pack sometimes, that's a common. That's a common. I've been collecting this one. As you get cards, you can combine them and make a more powerful card, and it burns the cards you combine, so there's less and less in the circulation. So every day these cards will become more powerful. They're NFTs, plain and simple. Ooh, I got 2 rares. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, it's a gold. Yes. Okay, awesome. That's what you want. And I got an epic. What a great pack. Fantastic pack. So let's go see what the value on this is. Now, if you've been following me, I haven't always gotten the best packs, but this has been kind of nice. So let me see if I can remember what these are, and we'll see what the value of them is. And remember, these will go up over time. As even the gold cards you can combine. So we're going to go to here, my cards. So this is not, like I said, I probably want to be opening packs every day, but for the video aspect, people love to watch people open packs. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's go to my own cards. Let's go to gold. And let's go to rare. And that will be the first one. So I probably got my money's back. I got to get rid of the regular. Okay, there she is. And right now she's going for 515. So that, like I said, there's 3,513 in circulation, and the number will go up because they're still opening packs. But once all the packs are open, then that number starts to come back down. Okay, then let's look at the epic one that I got, which wasn't gold, it was just common. And I got 2 of those now, so I could combine them if I wanted to, but they're $1.59 each, and that will go up. And I need a total of 3 to make the next level, so I'll wait. So yeah, I about almost doubled my money on this pack today. So, okay, that's it. So now I'm going to go into all the different ways you can make money. Well, one is the opening of packs and getting good cards in them. And as the prices go up, that's a way you're going to make money. And now buying and selling in the market. Right here is an account, an app that you go through the marketplace. And this is what shows you. It adds up all the cards for you. It's absolutely fantastic in helping. Tells you how many cards you have, and then you got to filter and all that. But these are my rentals. That's another way to make money. I still own the cards. I can rent them out, get DEC, and then what I do is I take the DEC. If this will stop spinning, and it doesn't seem to want to. I can take the DEC and invest in new cards, which is all increasing my pack. Now, this was the number I did before I updated it. Now, after the pack opening, it should, it went up almost $7, $8. So that's a good direction to be going. And I can't get back in, so I don't know what's going on here. Okay, there we go. So the DEC. So this is what I've made from the rentals and sales. It just went up, so I just rented out something again. So this is working 24/7. So you got the affiliate program, you make money. You got DEC, which you make from rentals and selling, buying and selling cards. You got the market. As the cards go up in value, you can sell. You got SPS, which is they airdrop that for They're about halfway through. They got another whole year, so I'm getting about 60 cents. And as that goes up, you get increase in value too. So there's another way, because it's only 13 cents. When I joined, it was at 25. When the markets crashed for a couple of weeks, everything crashed, including this. But it's working its way back up. So I'm probably going to end up doubling this as it works its way back to 25 cents. And I stake. That's another way to make money. Right now I'm at 33.10% APR. My rate of return for rentals is 27.28. So now my collection isn't that big. I've only been doing it for a month, but as it gets bigger, all these numbers will go up, increase. And what's another way to make money? Now I haven't done either one. I do not belong to a guild. I'm working on it. As soon as I figure it out, I will make a video on it. And you can do events, which you can join. And if you win, you make money. Right now, there's $826. They have awarded $5,165,828 so far. So as you play them, like this one's one DEC to enter, okay, and then you can win $14. So, but I've never done one yet, so that's really all I know about it. But there's another way to make money. Okay, then here's the battle page. You can battle, and you make money from playing. Depending on what your DEC rate, every time you play, you lose 1% or 0.5%, whatever it is, and you want to keep it as close to 100 as possible, because if you win one DEC, or let's say 10, you'd only get 7.5 DEC because of the percentage. And that's pretty much it. So I'll make another video tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. And if you like what you saw, please join on the link below, and have a nice day.